Hey guys, Dave the Watchman coming at you here with another video. Today it's a little something a little bit different. I just have a short video that I just wanted to show you guys that I have now set up a website at themselves.To. So this website will now allow you guys to head on over after you've watched one of my reviews. If you like the watches and you want to see more, you can kind of head on over to Davethewatchman.com and actually click on the affiliate links that I have posted for you. There's my buddy Shrody. He's trying to get in on the video, trying to, I guess, inspect my work that I've done here on the channel to see if it's up to par. But anyhow, as you can see here, I've posted quite a few watches that I've gone over on the channel here, and I have affiliate links attached to all of them. It is kind of in the beta phase. I do plan on adding some text and maybe adding the watch review videos next beside each watch so that you guys can actually go back and forth, come from the channel to here and then go back to the YouTube channel from here. But as you can see, you can kind of click on the listing. It'll bring the watch will bring you right over to the Amazon listing. And you can actually purchase it right from Amazon.com and take advantage of their excellent return policy that they have on Amazon Prime, and get these watches as fast as, in some cases, only a couple of days, sometimes the next day. But anyhow, if you do like this content and you want more of it to come to you, make sure you do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. I just want to take a second to shout out to my current subscribers. You guys are great. I'm almost up to 200 subscribers, and I could not do this without you. I'm growing this channel from the ground up, and I have made enough affiliate sales to actually pay for the website and get it up and running. So I really, really do appreciate you guys supporting this channel by buying these watches through the affiliate links and clicking on like and subscribe. And I will have more of this content coming to you. And as I do review more videos, I will be posting them here on Davethewatchman.com. So without further ado, my name is Dave the Watchman, and I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I believe you shouldn't have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So if you do like this content and you want it to keep on coming, please do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And I will be coming at you with some more watch review videos in the future. I have a few more watches coming in tomorrow and the next day, so stay tuned to my channel, and I will have more watch reviews on the way. So that said, you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next watch review video. Me and my buddy Shrody. We're working hard bringing these watch review videos to you. So have a good day, and I will see you guys in the next watch review video.